a super cute mermaid together. Let's explore each drawing step so that your mermaid is not only beautiful but also really lovely. You will surely be surprised by the ease and fun of each stroke. Start by drawing a gentle curve to shape the mermaid's head. Remember not to draw the head too big, because we are creating a cute mermaid, so the head should be a bit small compared to the body. Next, draw long, smooth, flowing hair as if floating underwater. You can draw gently, curly, or straight hair, depending on your preference. Don't forget to add a small pretty star to the mermaid's hair, making her more lively and mysterious. For the eyes, draw them big and bright, creating a cute look typical of a mermaid. You can add a few small bright spots in the eyes to make them sparkle like pearls. Remember to add a cute little nose and a bright smile to make the mermaid look happy and adorable. Now for the body and tail, draw 2 gentle curves downwards, creating a soft, flexible body shape. The fishtail should be moderately wide and slightly curved at the end to create a natural and cute feel. After that, draw the mermaid's 2 small pretty hands. These hands can be drawn simply with soft curves, looking like they are waving gently underwater. Don't forget to add a few small details in the fishtail to create scales. You can draw small curves along the fishtail to create a shimmering fish scale effect, making the tail look more vivid. And finally, draw a sparkling pearl necklace around the mermaid's neck, highlighting her luxurious and beautiful look. Now is the time to color our mermaid. Choose bright colors like pink, blue, green for hair, fishtail, and outfit. Don't forget to color the eyes, fish scales, and decorative details brightly to make the picture more shimmering and magical. Wow, our cute mermaid is finished! Have fun drawing and don't forget to let your soul into the vast sea with the wonderful mermaid.